Hi everybody, in this guide video, I'll be showing you the procedure to log into Google Drive. In order to log into your Google Drive account, you need to follow these steps. So what you need to do is actually to log into your Google Drive account. If you have an application or if you're using it on your mobile device, then you have to install the app. And once you're done installing the app, the interface will be looking different. But in my case, I've already have a multiple account. So what I'm gonna do is just simply click on this initials at the top right hand side corner. In a beginner's case, what you could see is continue with Google, right? So all you have to do is just press and continue with a particular Google account that you want to log in with, and that way you'll have successfully logged into your account. But if you have something like mine, then click on add another account, and then it's going to ask you to verify your identity. And then you could see this sign in and then a create account. Since you already have an account, that's the reason why you're able to log in, right? So type in the email address and then click on the next button, type in the password, and with that being said, you'll have successfully logged into your account. So this is how you could log into your Google Drive. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.